In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to a WordPress website. If you want visitors to quickly find and follow your social media accounts, adding social icons is a simple and effective way to do it. WordPress makes this easy through the site editor, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process in a clear, beginner-friendly way. First, go to your website editor in WordPress. This is the area where you can customize the layout and content of your site. Once you're inside the editor, you'll be able to add new blocks and place your social media icons wherever they make the most sense, such as in the header, footer, or another section of the page. Next, look to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon. This opens the block inserter, which is where you can search for and add different types of content blocks to your website. Since social media icons are added as a block, this is the tool you'll use to insert them. In the search field, type social. As you type, WordPress will begin showing matching block options. From the results, click on social icons. This adds the social icons block to your page, which is designed specifically for linking to social platforms in a clean and professional format. After the block is added, type Facebook to search for that specific social platform. When Facebook appears in the list, click on Facebook to add the Facebook icon to your social icons block. This creates the first icon in your set. Next, click on Instagram. This adds the Instagram icon alongside Facebook. WordPress automatically keeps the icons grouped together, which helps them stay aligned and visually consistent on your page. Then click on TikTok to add the TikTok icon as well. At this point, you'll have multiple social media icons placed inside the same social icons block, giving your website visitors quick access to the platforms you want to highlight. Once your icons are added, make sure to review their placement and check that everything looks neat within your page design. Social icons are often most useful when they're easy to spot but not distracting, so placing them in a familiar location like the top or bottom of the page usually works well. And that's it. You've now added social media icons to your WordPress website using the built-in social icons block. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.